we find our missing number in subtraction. Let's bring it down, bring it down. Oof. There you go, missing number in subtraction. Things get a little wobbly here, but first we'll talk about the easier part. So let me give you a subtraction equation, right? If I have a minus 12 equals to 43, okay? Really easy. Again, we use the same rule. Because the a is at the beginning, because the variable is at the beginning, it's very easy to isolate it. So we do the same thing. We cross the bridge, and when you cross the bridge, it becomes the opposite. So here it's plus 12, here it's minus 12. We do plus 12, and we say plus 12 right here. Therefore, easy, a equals 43 plus 12. Let's do a little bit of calculation on the side, right? And this is going to be a 5, 3 plus 2, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, a equals 5, right? Now, you must be thinking, whoa, that was easy. You just taught me that. How is subtraction harder? Now subtraction gets a bit harder. Do you see how the a is at the beginning? Now let's put the variable second. If I were to go and say that we have, let me think of a good equation. If I were to say 59 minus b is 14. Now the b is at the end. Do we do the same thing? If we were to just take 59 and move it across, it'll be 14 minus 59. We're probably going to get a negative number. It's going to look a little odd, right? So you don't always use the same step. You actually use one more step. So I'm going to put, one more step. This is important. You do one more step. The way you do it is you actually take the b on the other side. Because if you take the b on the other side, it becomes a positive b. We want to keep everything positive, no negative emotions, only positive, right? So we have positive b and positive b. Easy peasy. So if I say 59 equals 14 plus b. Okay, something's making sense. Now we take the 14 and bring it on this side. So we have all the numbers on one side and all the variables on the other side. So now we take our 14 and we move him right here. So if you're moving him, you're doing the opposite. Minus 14 here, minus 14 here. So now you will have 59 minus 14 equals to b. Everybody's positive, everybody's happy, no negative emotions. I love that. So let's do some calculations. 59 minus 14, this gives us a 5. This gives us a 4, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, we got our 5. We got our 4. Therefore, 45 equals b. Did you see how easy that was? There was a little bit of a step that you had to take, but it was quite easy, right? So if you were to check it, you'll get a yes. Let's try this one more time just to make sure that, are we really getting this?